Hello, assalamu alaikum. We're going to do today another pinpoint error practice, and this time I'm not going to follow the IBMBA admission test question bank. So this question has been taken from Cliff's TOEFL. Okay, you can see that it's written over there, meaning test 3. Okay, so let's get started. Writers like William Shakespeare and Edgar Allan Poe are not only prolific but too interesting. Look, writers, alright, since they are talking about two writers, Shakespeare and Allan, so it's alright. Like they are comparing both of them. R is alright because they are talking about two writers, not only prolific but too interesting. Look, after if you write not only and but, then you have to say but also. So instead of writing two, you should have rewritten also. So the problem lies in D, so I'm gonna write D in the answer segment. James Counselor recommended that he should take a foreign language in his freshman year instead of waiting until the following year. Okay, and the thing is that this is actually a the thing is that James is a person, and his counselor recommended him to take a foreign language course in his first year of the university. And what happened is that you cannot write he should take. It should have been written James Counselor recommended that he take. There is no reason to write should, so it should be he take a foreign language in his freshman year instead of waiting until the following year. Instead of waiting is alright. The following year, well, obviously it doesn't have any problem. In his freshman year, whose freshman year? James freshman year. Okay. Now the thing is that, so the problem lies in A. So we're gonna write A. Now let's move on to the next section. Although Mark has been cooking for many years, he still doesn't know to prepare French foods in the traditional manner. Now, obviously, Mark knows how to cook, and he has been cooking for many years. Since it is written for many years, so it is rightly written that he has been cooking, and he still doesn't know. When you talk about something to prepare or something to do, your ability, you should write that he still does not know how to prepare the process, whether you know the process or not. So after know, you should have written how. French food in the traditional manner. So the problem lies in C, and we are going to write C in the answer script. Okay. It is most important that he speaks to the dean before leaving for his vacation. He is alright. We don't have any problem, obviously. Well, it just written to the dean before leaving for his vacation. Now the thing is that if you know the subjunctive rules, you can see that this is important. After important, you cannot write speaks. It should be in V1 form. The verb should be in present indefinite form. Okay, so I mean V1, I mean just raw form. I mean you shouldn't add as after speak. Obviously he is a third person singular number, but you cannot say he speaks, since it is important, so that after he, you should read speak. So the problem lies in B, and we are going to write B in the answer script. And the thing is that if you want to know about subjunctive mode, I can provide you the note. Leave it in the comment box. I will be providing it. Visitors were not permitted entering the park after dark because of the lack of security and lighting. Look, Visitors, obviously visitors, those who visit a particular park or a theme park, something like that, were not permitted. After permitted, infinitive follows. Okay, so here entering is a kind of a gerund thing, present participle. So you should write after permitted, to enter. Visitors were not permitted to enter the park after dark because of the lack of security and lighting. Okay, so the problem lies in B, and we're going to write B. Okay, look, I'm not going to do the Bangla explanation. I think there is no need for that. Okay, thanks for watching. Please pray for me and pray for my family. Having a rough time though. I hope all of our problem will be solved soon. Thank you.